Dust collection is a topic that's often secondary when shopping for a CNC router. Buy the machine first, figure out how to manage the clouds of dust and chips later. But managing the air quality in your shop not only benefits your health, it also improves the reliability of your machine. So today we're addressing that with Sweepy, a simple and effective dust shoe for your CNC. Sweepy is a two-piece polycarbonate injection molded dust chute that rigidly attaches to your CNC. The top half is clamped to your spindle or router, and the bottom half snaps on magnetically when you're ready to use it. This allows you to quickly change brush length depending on what kind of tool you're using and what kind of features you're machining. The clear polycarbonate shell also lets you verify that dust is being pulled through the shoe and that there aren't any unexpected clogs. The vacuum port is designed for hoses with a 36mm outer diameter. If you're using a different size hose, adapters should be readily available online. Our dust shoe comes in two variants, Sweepy 65 and Sweepy 69. The 65mm version fits our Carbide Compact Router as well as the Makita RT07 family of routers. The 69mm version fits DeWalt palm routers like the DWP611 and also includes a cutout in the side so that you can access the spindle lock button. We're including a free dust shoe with all Shapeoko purchases. If you're buying it with our Carbide Compact Router, you'll get Sweepy 65, otherwise you'll have to specify whether or not you want the 65 or 69mm version. Sweepy and additional brushes will also be available to purchase separately. Dust collection isn't a glamorous topic, but it's a gap in our offerings we felt was important to fill for people who are getting started with CNC. Hopefully this makes your lives easier and cleaner. Good luck and have fun machining, folks.